Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use the low row machine. First, let's get set up correctly. Adjust the seat so your chest aligns with the top of the pad. Choose a weight that challenges you for 8 to 12 repetitions. Place your feet firmly on the footrests, maintaining a slight bend in your knees. Finally, grasp the handles with your chosen grip, ensuring your arms are fully extended before starting the movement. Now, let's focus on proper execution. Begin by retracting your shoulder blades, feeling the engagement in your upper back. Pull the handles towards your lower abdomen, aiming to squeeze your shoulder blades together as if holding a pencil between them. Maintain a straight back and an engaged core throughout the entire exercise. Remember to control the movement and avoid using momentum, ensuring your muscles do the work. The release phase is just as important as the pull. Slowly extend your arms back to the starting position, maintaining control over the weight. Allow your shoulder blades to protract naturally, feeling a stretch in your upper back. Remember to breathe correctly. Exhale as you pull the weight towards your body, and inhale as you slowly return to the starting position. This controlled movement maximizes muscle engagement and prevents injury. Let's address some common mistakes and offer a few tips. First, avoid shrugging your shoulders, keep them depressed and retracted. Second, never round your back, always maintain a neutral spine. Focus on that mind-muscle connection, truly feeling your back muscles work. For best results, aim for 2 to 3 sets, performing 8 to 12 controlled repetitions. Consistency and proper form are key to building a strong, sculpted back.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.